It is such a beautiful day. Like, look at the clouds. 2 days before, the moon was so full. I wanted to capture it, but for some reason my phone wasn't given. So beautiful.
Tell me, babe, why are we playing games? It's you and me. Everybody else, they noticing. Baby, focus in on me. Make a move, it's on you. 'Cause I've been up all night, picking this wine, telling you things, telling you right. Bet it on me, you know you won't lose. I'm laying it out, sorry for you. Keeping me waiting, no hesitating. I ain't like them, none of them fake. Difference in love is nothing to prove. I'm laying it out, running for you. Pray for you, I'll stay for you. Take all your secrets to the grave for you. I know everything about you, never slip when I'm around you. 'Cause if the world's right and you're wrong, I'ma stick with ya. Ain't nothing in the world I can't face with ya. Waiting all this time on you, waiting all this time on you. 'Cause I was up all night, picking this wine, telling you things, telling you right. Bet it on me, you know you won't lose. I'm laying it out, sorry for you. Keeping me waiting, no hesitating. I ain't like them, none of them fake. Difference in love is nothing to prove. I'm laying it out, running for you. So baby, see me through.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. If you're new, hey girl, hey guys, hey mister. I don't know what to say. If you're new, I'm Jane. Happy Easter guys. It's Easter today. I'm so excited. It's funny because I haven't experienced Easter with family in a long time, and I don't think I've celebrated Easter in so long. In fact, ever since I've been to the Philippines, I don't think I've celebrated Easter, like actually cook on Easter day and invite friends. I haven't done that, but today I'm going to be having some guests. I'm so excited. They're already on their way. I'm done cooking as I showed you guys, and I made this bombers jollof rice. Like, you guys know my jollof rice bangs, period. So I made this really nice jollof rice. I made coleslaw, and I also made fried meat, beef and chicken. At the same time, I bought drinks and some other stuff, so that kind of sets everything. And why do I think they're the ones that just arrived? Like, my mind's telling me. But yeah, I just made everything. The day is looking so beautiful. It's almost 6 p.m. now, and I'm just expecting my guests to arrive. We're going to be having dinner as a family. If you guys are wondering what guests, I'm not going to show them on camera for privacy reasons. If you watched the last time we hung out, I didn't show them, privacy reasons as well. So I'm just going to show you guys whatever we get up to. But if you're expecting faces, not on this channel.
Every day I think about you. Got me going round, got me throwing thoughts around. I've been thinking about you when you was around. Got me thinking about you every day. I think about you. Yeah, hold me down, baby. You be looking so tasty. You so different when you're around me. You be holding me down so lately. Yeah, come around, drop those panties to the ground. The man, they got you freaking, throw it to the ground. You be acting like there ain't no
Taking pictures in my mind. Got the sun in my hair, blue in your eyes. I could lay here all my life. Time moves slowly, green goes from my high. I can't get enough of you. Baby, it's the love for me. Said that it's the me for you. You know how to make me feel pretty when you say you need me, love. Never felt so free, no. I keep it on lock for you. I'ma keep a spot for you. All my exes blocked for you. Got plans, I'ma drop for you. There's no need to choose, nothing I wouldn't do. So I'ma keep it locked for you. All of this for you. Yeah. Take flights to the bay at night for ya. Anything to get a little time with you. Haven't felt like this in a while. You really know how to make a girl smile. Giving you time is more than I ask when you see me. Oh, you make loving you easy. Take nothing for me to complete you, baby. Ooh, and I usually keep to myself, but you get me out of my shell, and I knew right the moment I fell for ya. I keep it on lock for ya. I'ma keep a spot for ya. All my exes blocked for ya. Got plans, I'ma drop for ya. There's no need to choose, nothing I wouldn't do. So I'ma keep it locked for ya. All of this for you. I keep it on lock for ya. I'ma keep a spot for ya. All my exes blocked for ya. Got plans, I'ma drop for ya. There's no need to choose, nothing I wouldn't do. So I'ma keep it locked for ya. All of this for you. I'ma keep it locked for ya. I'ma keep a spot for ya. All my exes blocked for ya. Got plans, I'ma drop for ya. There's no need to choose, nothing I wouldn't do. So I'ma keep it locked for ya. All of this for you. All of this for you.
Guys, I'm back home. I just got in the traffic. The traffic today, I don't even know what to use to describe it, but I have some things I want to unbox for you guys. Okay, I already showed you guys this one. Yeah, I already showed you guys this one. This one was from Styled by Shades. It was a slippers. Thank you so much. I really loved it. If you guys don't know, they are like a personal shopper slash styling brand. They do a bunch of stuff actually. If you see something that you like and you don't know where to get it from, they are your plug. Styled by Shades. Okay, yeah. I recently got this humidifier, and this is like, it comes with a lavender oil, essential oil you can put in. You guys, let me tell you something. The reason why I moved out from Anova was because there was this particular smell that was always coming from that place. So I moved out from there, my previous apartment. In this apartment, all of a sudden, something like that started happening again. So I had to go and get this real quick. It's been crazy. I bought, it came together actually, it was about 140 something pesos. Some of these things, because I don't really use them, I like to buy from Shopee, and Shopee is pretty affordable. It comes with USB. So this is it. This thing is so good, eh? I think you put water here, put the oil, and then you have to be smelling nice. This one is so heavy. I wonder what to do. So I bought these games just, you know, for when I have guests and we can all get really busy. Jenga block. So yeah, for the time when I'm going to be having guests, we're going to use this to entertain ourselves. I wanted this bag for the longest time, and yeah, this was a gift. It's a Chanel. Is it Chanel or Chanel? You guys, I've never done a big girl buy before, so basically it is not 100%. It's not the original, but then it is a very long-lasting product material. Yay! I've always wanted it. And the double, this is it. So it has like an extra pocket thing here, and it's so big. The inside is so big as well. I really love this bag. I'm obsessed. I feel like this is going to be my everyday bag until I can buy the original one. I also tried a new restaurant today called Kuya. I've been seeing that restaurant since I was in Cebu, but I never really went in. And today I tried it, and aesthetics was really great, and it was in Eastwood. If you guys don't know, Eastwood is like one of like the bougie and expensive areas in Manila, so it was really a nice place. Customer service was great, but the food, nah. I also tried kari for the first time. You guys remember when I went to IKEA, I told you guys that I wanted to try kari in that restaurant, but they didn't have it, so I finally did. And you guys, it wasn't nice. It wasn't nice. I had to order something else to eat. Yeah, but I like the fact that their food comes with like complimentary side dish. It was so great. But yeah, overall it was a good day. I had an amazing painting section as well. I loved today. Today really was my day. This just kind of made everything like, ooh. Okay, I'm going to end the vlog here. I wanted this vlog to continue to next week because something exciting is happening next week, but I'm tired. I'm exhausted, and I feel like I've gotten a lot of clips, so I'll end it here, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.